Hi, Dallas here with ProPhone, and in this video we're going to be going over the professionals area of the ProPhone CRM. So the professional area, it was meant basically to store like your like professionals, like trades, like your contractors, your appraisers, your inspectors, your salespeople, your agents, like anybody with a trade. This is designed to separate your professionals from your prospects and your contacts. Unless you are prospecting professionals, then of course that's what the professionals table is for, is to break everything up. Okay, that's why we created the three separate sections in the CRM itself. But anyways, let's go over the features of the professionals area. So you can click right here to select all, or you can select individually. You can click the select button here to select all, select range of professionals, the amount of professionals you want, or visible. By visible, I mean on the visible page. You can also organize your table by clicking on the table configuration settings gear icon here. You can choose how many you would like to see per page here. If you set it, you can reset it by opening that back up and reset the default, or you can just change your selection. In the column configuration, you can hide columns. You can move columns around, change how you want it to appear. Save configuration, same concept. We can go back into here and we can reset that to default to make everything back the way it should be. And if you click on the actual professional area, it'll open up a detail modal pop-up that shows you the information attached to that professional, and you can edit it here. Click on that, it opens the property attached to the professional. You get the location map for it. You can expand that, see more details there, see it in a larger frame. Same thing here. You can edit the trade of the professional by clicking on the edit icon here. Go ahead and change the trade. Okay, it shows you how many lists the professional is in. Now keep in mind, professionals can be in lists, but they don't have to be in lists. Therefore, if you delete, like in the My List area, you delete the final list of a prospect, it'll delete that whole prospect. But if you delete a final list or a list in the professionals area, it doesn't delete the professional at all. We just did this so that way you can help organize your professionals a little better. And your contact information, you can edit your contact, or you can edit the contact information for the professional. And then the informations area over here, you can edit the name. Address, you can change their address if you want to. Let's just do that. 456. Excuse me. My bad. See? Same thing. Lists, you can manage your list here. Same concept. You can select a list, assign list. Tags, you can manage the tags that you already have to it. You can assign tags to it. You can add tags to the system. Now, you can manage your list tags and stuff like that by clicking on the settings gear icon configuration for the CRM here. And you got your agents, tags, businesses, lists, and message templates, which you can use in your webhooks. All right. We go over here. We can also manage the tags by directly clicking on the tags here. Same concept as we just went over. Click on the trade itself. You can manage the trade. And then list, same concept. Click on list, and you can manage the list assigned. Now, if you select the professional, click on the actions drop down. You can send via webhook, export CSV, or delete selected. This is bulk actions. Doesn't matter whether you get 1 or 30, 40, 50, or 1,000. It doesn't matter how many you have selected, it's bulk. So when you click on send via webhook, you can select the webhook you want to send that professional data to. Now, keep in mind, each individual person or professional you have selected will do its own send to a webhook. The system will queue it up and send it one by one. That way you're not sending 1,000 people under one webhook call and it could crash the system or whatever. It just makes it to where you can run your flow automations in the flow builder one by one for each one. It just makes everything more streamlined. You can enable message and subject fields where you can give a subject and a message body here. You can type it in. That way when you send your data through the webhook, when it calls your automation, it actually will plug that data in there for you as long as you have it mapped in the flow automation, which we have a video that goes over the flow builder itself. If you want to add pre-done messages and template or pre-done template in the CRM, or just click on the add button here, and then you can select a template that you already created. Now, once you send a webhook, let's go ahead and test for that data so I can show you what that looks like. Send. It did send the data, and we have received it. Okay, that is what it looks like. Subject and messages there. Now, all right, now we click on the actions drop down and do export CSV. It'll go ahead and export that professional for us. Okay, you see there. And then we can go to actions and delete the selected professional as well. Confirm that, delete. And there you go. You can also search professionals. Doesn't matter what you type in, name, email. It literally searches across all your columns here. But now let's go ahead and let's add a professional. Let's do single and let's do bulk. So if I go to add professional, single, the only thing required is a first name and a trade. You have to have a trade, obviously, to be the professional. So let's go, let's just do my name, Dallas. Let's just fill this out. Let's go Dallas Reynolds. Let's do an old email. Doesn't matter. Let's do 931-855-852, whatever, 2525, just a random number. No office number needed. Let's do 582. Let's do whatever. I'm a real estate broker as well. So let's just do broker. Assign tags, no need. List. We can assign a list, that's fine. Add professional. Okay. There we go. It added that. Like I said, I can search email. Oh, if I spell it right. Phone number, 931, doesn't matter. That's kind of how the search works. Reynolds. There we go. Now we're going to bulk add. I'm just going to upload like a random, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to upload like some random data here. We're going to go Christian County, just some property. I don't have a big bulk upload list of professionals, so we're just going to do a random property upload here. So we got the first name, last name, phone one's already assigned. Good. We're going to go through here an address. We don't have one. We got address line 1, 2, city. You got all that stuff though, so we're going to click on next. Trade, let's just do project manager. Sign tags, not worried about it. And lists, I'm not worried about it. Let's go ahead and import. Okay. It's now added it all. Let's go ahead and delete those. We're going to go to the filter area here, and we are going to filter down by trade. Actually, what do we do here? Is it project manager? Yeah, let's filter down by trade. Project manager. Apply those filters. And we're going to delete those. All right, now we're going to clear it out. Okay. Now in the filters area, you can stack your filters. So you can filter by trade, also by the list for those trades and the tag. So you can literally stack filters when you're going through this. All right. And then we have the select modal here as well. Sorry, I didn't go over this. This is where you can select all of them, a range of them, like, 1 through 20, 1 through 30, whatever. You can do 10 through 15, however you want to do your range. The amount, it'll go based on the, so if you do like 50 or 100 or whatever, it'll grab the first 50, first 100, whatever you put there for amount. And then you get visible, which is going to be everything on the visible page. But that is how the professionals area works. If you guys have any questions, by all means, feel free to submit a support ticket to us so we can take care of you on it. You can access the support area by clicking on the profile dropdown, click on help and support. And then you'll see the tickets area there where you can do get support, request a feature, report a bug. I don't have that option in this because I'm in the admin center, or mine's in the admin panel. This is the admin account. But that's how you submit a ticket. So, but anyways, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy the system, and I'll see you in the next one.